Hello folks, welcome back. Let's see how far we get today. Let's start out with the 4 and 10 hunt. We're going to do 5, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 10, 4, 6. So good so far. Reason why you practice religiously is that so you get familiar with the set you use and the result, so that way you can hop it when you're at the casino. Okay, six, 1, 4. 5, 1. Sorry. I'm just thinking about something else. Not really focus on it. I gotta be more focused. So let me go into a little detail here, explain. Okay, I'm using the 5, 4, 5, 6 set, and the reason why I don't put 5, 6, 5, 4 is the 1 on the outside. So if I implode and pitch, I end up with a 7. Okay, so that's the reason why I do that. So if I implode this way and pitch, it's a hard 8. If I double pitch, it's a 6. So it eliminates my my problem. So hope that helps you a lot. Sometimes the little details like that you don't think about, but it's happening. Okay, 10, 6, 4, point made. So the more I practice this set and the result comes out the same way, which is a 6, 4, 10, I can hop it and expect the result to be the same way. And that's a 15 to 1 and a hop. Okay. 10, 5, 5. Okay, 10's a point again. All right, I'm going to change set. I don't have a high SOR in that. So let's go with the field number. I'm going to do the 6336, which is basically a 9 and a 5, okay? With a 4 on the inside and a 10 on the outside. So long as I don't drift, I should be fine. Oh, way too high. Went off the table there. I'll hunt for the dice later. Okay. Okay, same set. This is a kissing set. All right, 11, 6, 5. All right, that tells me that I implode on one of my dice, so my fingers are not 50-50%. Okay, 5, 2, 3, 5. Pay attention. I implode on one of my dice, so still not 50-50%. Okay, 6, 1, 5. That's a double pitch with an implosion. 7 out. So it's 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, made 1 point. Just what the math say. All right, that's good. We'll keep the video short. We'll use that as a warm up, and we'll start again later.